Okay, I forgot. All right, so we're just gonna go on. The next part, you just have to graph it. It gives you the equations in the y-intercept form, and you just have to graph it. Wasn't that nice of them to do that? So for number 9, just draw like a XY axis like that. Okay, you have y is less than or equal to x minus 2. And then you also have y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. It's already in y equals mx plus b. So the slope is 1, and the y-intercept is x is 0, y is negative 2. Do you remember this? Kind of? Okay. And this one, what is the slope on the second one? This one right here. It's the number in front of x. 3. Yep. And then the y-intercept is 0, negative 5. So then we get to graph it. Isn't that fun? Uh-huh. So then we start at 0, negative 2, right there. And the slope is 1. So it's up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And so now it's equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. If it wasn't equal to, if it was just y is less than, what would this line be? Remember? It's dotted, the dashed line, because it's not equal to. All right, so now we have to figure out what side we have to shade. Let's do the 0, 0 right there, because that's an easy one to plug in here. So is 0 less than or equal to negative 2? No, it's not. So then it would be this side, it's shaded. So we're gonna shade that side. And then this one we're gonna graph. M is 3, and you start at 0, negative 5. Right there, that's where you're gonna start. And it's rise over run. That is the slope. So it's rise, so you go up 3 over 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Okay, and it passes through here, so it's kind of a steep line. Ooh, that is such a bad line, but you know what I mean. Like that. Okay, then we pick a point to see if it works. So let's do 0, 0 to see if it's this side. So then we have 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Is that true? Yes, it is. 0 is greater than negative 5. So then it's all this, it's above the line. So let's do above this line. And you can see where it's like shaded at the same point is right, this is the solution set, right in between these two lines. Because it's both the blue and the green that's shaded in here. So that is the solution set. And you know what's really fun? Is when you pick a point in here and it works for both of those. It's so cool. So then let's try it. See, there's a point in there. Let's say, 1, 2, 3. Negative 0, or 0, negative 3. Let's see if 0, negative 3 works. 0, negative 3. Let's just see if that works, because I think that's where that should be, like right here, and I think that's in both the shaded part. So we have 0 is less than or equal to negative 3, minus 2 is negative 5. Okay, and then we have, oh wait, that's not what I did. I put it in for the wrong, because that's not true. Ah, all right, so we have x is 0, and this y is negative 2. Negative 2 is less than or equal to 0 minus 2 equals negative 2. Negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So that's true. Okay, so it works for that one, and let's plug it in this one. Negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 5. That's true. So it does work for both. So it is the solution set. Okay, for number 9. You just, no, you don't need to put yes, it works. So then that just means that this is the solution set to both equations. Okay?